Hello everyone, my name is Ron, and today I would like to share with you on how to use the Matrice M300 RTK to perform automatic inspection for the world's largest converter station. The procedure is divided into 3 steps: data acquisition, mission planning, and automatic inspection. Since the converter station is full of equipment, any failure can cause severe consequences. We choose the M300 RTK and planned a route that will not pass over these equipment, providing a second layer of assurance for operational safety. With the Zenmuse L1, the M300 RTK can collect data of an area as large as 5 soccer fields within 30 minutes flight. Then we import the point cloud data into DJI Terra to generate 3D model within 10 minutes. Utilizing the detailed inspection feature, we set waypoint parameters and plan the flight route based on the safety code. The M300 RTK is equipped with a Zenmuse H20T, which enables one-touch automatic inspection and data collection. The drone can cover 90% of the blind spot doing manual inspection, resulting in 8 times greater inspection efficiency. We believe that the LiDAR modeling and automatic inspection solution will empower more intelligent substation O&M.